Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious milkshake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, half a cup of milk, and any flavorings you desire. Opt for a good quality ice cream to ensure a rich, creamy base. Whole milk works wonderfully for a classic texture, but feel free to use a dairy-free option if you prefer. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get blending. Carefully add your ice cream, milk, and any chosen flavorings into a sturdy blender. Begin by pulsing on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase to a medium or high setting. Blend for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and has that perfect, thick milkshake consistency. Avoid over-blending to keep it nice and cold. The best part about milkshakes is customizing them. For a timeless chocolate shake, add 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. If you're craving something fruity, try blending in 1/4 cup of fresh berries or a sliced banana. A teaspoon of vanilla extract can also enhance the overall sweetness and depth of flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations to find your ultimate favorite. Once your delicious milkshake is perfectly blended, it's time to serve. Pour it immediately into a tall, chilled glass to maintain its frosty temperature. For an extra special touch, top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream and a bright red cherry. A wide straw is ideal for enjoying the thick, creamy texture. Sip and savor your homemade treat right away for the best experience. Enjoy every delightful drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.